Well, first of all, I'm really happy to be here at the largest automotive supplier and OEM conference in the world, and seeing most of the presentations from the different Central European countries. Very impressive. I've been speaking today about the Industry 4.0 as the originator. That's what I'm best known for. The Industry 4.0 impacts the automotive industry, the biggest of any industry. That means that it disrupts every part of the value chain. Industry 4.0 was developed in 2009 based on the digital strategy that I did for Germany, and then later on in 2011 we announced it. It's based on 17 main pillars that are arriving in waves, and they are attacking every aspect of the supply chain, warehouse management, and retailers, dealers within the automotive industry. So this is actually, the Industry 4.0 delivers an opportunity to outthink on the challenges that are coming, how you can be more productive, increase your productivity level, how you can, where you should align, where you should integrate and optimize to have a higher efficiency level, higher performance, and a lower cost. Then the other part is that it gives you the opportunity to outsmart your competitiveness. So the other part is that you are competing head-on-head with your industry players. So the European players want to have the manufacturing back. Manufacturing is the key element in the Industry 4.0. So that means you're competing not only on price, on labor cost, but suddenly, since the labor cost becomes the same, they will compete on how you can add technology elements, how you can work smarter, smart automation within your performance and operating model and service model within the industry-specific areas. That means it gives everybody that's here the ability to outcompete the competition. Then there's the last portion on, it gives them the ability to outcompete. That means they need to find out where do they differentiate, how can they support it. So the Industry 4.0 is about 17 main pillars that are coming, and often talked about technology sets. It's not about technology. Technology is only the enabler. The key part of the Industry 4.0 is people, and will always remain people. People apply technology, people adapt to change, people work with people, people sell to people, and people collaborate with people. So the centerpiece will remain people. This is one of the most exciting times for the Central European community. There have been a lot of investment in European Union into them. It's their ability to stand up. It's their ability to start to outthink, outsmart, and outcompete. And you can sense the passion that is around here. They absorb it, they want to participate, and they're ready to actually stand up. So this is their chance. I think within the CEE countries, there's a competitiveness about how they compete with each other to attract the big market players. But in reality, they've been there for a very long time. They know how to compete, they know how to do their business. It's the ability how they can adapt to it that is most important. And I think when you looked at some of the countries, they're very willing, they're very open-minded, and they're fully open to change. So change has been part for their environment for the last 25 years. And they have a very strong support of a high educated labor force. Where they have kept the salary low, they can attract investors, so they have the ability to really maintain this. Now with the Silk Road coming, that goes via Turkey and Moldova, it even opens up far more opportunities for the CEE to say, you know what, we will do business with the European Union, we'll do business with Russia, we'll do business with Asia and China. So it's opening up the path that you've been preparing for many years. So that means the CEE is ready to stand and they're ready to run. So this is their opportunity to capture.